So good morning students. In this video we'll be seeing the installation of virtual machine and this Ubuntu OS and the how to execute the basic commands. So this Linux operating system can be installed as either dual operating system in your system, or you can install through a virtual machine. So installing of Ubuntu in your Windows OS through a virtual machine, first download Vmware player or workstation recent version. For the 64-bit processor, you can download this version Vmware workstation version 17. Download LTS recent version. Install Vmware player in your host machine. Open Vmware workstation and click on the new virtual machine. Select the typical that is recommended and click next. Select the installer disk image and click browse to select the Ubuntu ISO file. You have to type in the full name and that is username that must consist of lowercase and numbers. You must enter your password. After that you click the next. So you can type in a different name in virtual machine name or leave as a select an appropriate location to store the virtual machine by clicking on browse, that is next to the location. So you should place it in a drive or partition that should have at least 5 GB of free space. After you selected the location, click OK and then next. So in maximum disk size, you should allocate at least 5 GB so that to avoid running out of free space. So select the store virtual disk as a single file for optimum performance and click next. So click to customize and go to memory to allocate RAM, that is 1 GB. So but more is always better if you spare from the installed RAM. So next go to processors, number of processors you have to select. For a normal computer it is 1, number of cores per processor, that is 1 for single core, 2 for dual core, 4 for quad core. So click close and then finish to start the Ubuntu installation process. On the completion of installation, log in to the system. So this is the procedure for logging in, installing a VMware and this Ubuntu distribution. So I have installed this VMware and Ubuntu, so using the step. So now I am going to show the demo of some basic commands. So when opening, so in the terminal, so here in this, so you can see this terminal. So this terminal is a program so that user can able to interact with the kernel using this program. So click on the terminal, so you will be getting a command line. So here like this. So here you can type the basic commands using this. So the first command, so echo SRM. So it will be simply displaying the SRM. So first I use the echo command. Next I am using a date command. So what is the current date? It will be displaying. Now I am using the cal command. What is the current month? So that is calendar month. It is displaying. So now I am using this. So for the June month calendar, it is displaying. Using the clear command, it is just clearing the screen. Using ls command to list all the files. To see the long list of all the files, ls-l command, long listed of files. So here you can see this, what is the file name. So if it is hyphen means it is a file, if the starting is d means it's a directory. So in this read write x, first 3 digits it denotes for group, you for the owner, read write execute permission. Second read write x, it denotes for the group, read write execute permission. Third read write x, it denotes So that is for the all others. So what is the permission? Read, no write permission, and execute for this jyoti.sh for this shell script. So this is how you will be, it's a long listed files, it will be displayed. So so here in this I am going to see the word count of a file, how many words are there. So to see the word count of a file, so I am using this wc. What is the file name? So this welcome.c. So wc space should be there, welcome.c. So what is this, how many lines it is having, how many bytes. So it will be displayed. So how many lines in the program, how many bytes are there, how many characters are there, it will be displayed. So now I am going to create a directory, mkdir, creating a directory. Now I am changing to the directory alias. So under the root, under this I am now shifted to alias directory. Now printing the current working directory. What is the directory I am working? So it is displayed. So to go to the home directory, I am just typing cd enter. So to go to the parent directory, cd double dot. So to go to the previous working directory, so to go to the previous working directory, so now to go to the parent directory, so these are the some of the basic commands. To remove the directory, alias, I am using the command rmdir, remove the directory. So to remove the directory should be empty. To change the permission of a file, I can go for chmod. So here two things are there. Either you can do it using octal, or you can change the permission of a file using either octal mode or symbol mode. So in the case of octal mode means, so in the case of symbolic mode, you can have the letters read or write or execute. You can use the operators plus, minus, equal to. So to add permission, so you can use the plus symbol. To remove permission, you can use the minus symbol. Similarly, to make the file executable, you can use symbol X. So similarly for user means you can use the symbol U, group means you can use the symbol G. So for example, I can give chmod U plus or W for the user, all read and write execute file will be assigned. So for like that I can able to do this. So here for this here chmod U plus U plus write execute for the file welcome dot c. So I am now for the welcome.c file, user can able to read, write and execute the file. I am adding the permission. Like this you can set the file, or you can go for octal type. So in the case of octal type, you will be having the numbers. First digit denote the permission for owner, second one for group, third one for the others. So for example, if you are having this 4 plus 2 plus 1, for 4 means read, 2 means write and 1 means execute. So here chmod 6, it means for the user. So your first number denotes owner, second one group and third one is others. So your 6 it denotes for owner, 7 for group and 4 for others. So your owner can able to read and write, that is 4 plus 2. Your other second digit it denotes for 7, it is group for so read, write and execute 4 plus 2 plus 1 it is 7. So both all read, write, execute permission they will be having. So third letter it denotes for all others. So all others can able to only read because the number is 4. So like this you can set the permission. So now I am setting for all others. So I am setting the permission for welcome.c, this file. For first number denote for owner. So owner can read, write, execute 4 plus 2 plus 1. Second number denotes group. So they can able to read. Group denotes able to read, write and execute. Third one for all others also read, write, execute. So here in this way you can go do the basic commands. So thank you for watching.